The Theater Tech Internship Program is a program for students of DU who like working with their hands, who enjoy the shop classes, stagecraft, all those things that we offer as the theater department to kind of further that.
The Theater Tech Internship Program was built around the idea that students need practical experience. We built our program so that our students could have a professional experience working with different companies. Our program's very supportive and helps our students learn what's going on in a place where they can make mistakes and get better. The set we're building for Family Theater Company is A Midsummer Night's Dream by William Shakespeare, and it will be staged in the Killstrom Theater in the Denver Center for the Performing Arts Complex.
I really enjoy building. There's something really inspiring about working with a small group of people, being shown this big grand drawing. You get shown that and you go, great, I'm supposed to build this? And then being able to see it in load-in, go up on stage and you can kind of step back and see all of your work has been painted, all of your work is put up. The one big puzzle piece, that's really inspiring.
Family Theater Company is the longest disability theater in the United States. We have been in existence since 1989. All of our actors have some form of disability, whether that's trauma-based, developmental, cognitive, physical, invisible. We provide a home to professional disabled actors here in the Denver community.
Working in partnership with family kind of adds that extra layer of inspiring onto it. You know, building sets means that you get to build this kind of magical world. But the people who build the sets are the ones who build the floor you walk on and the walls you see, and they're the ones that make your imagination go. So building for a show like Family means that you get to build a world for everybody.
Recently, there has been an enormous shift within the theatrical community. Whereas Family used to be kind of the outlier, a lot of theaters within the Denver community are really looking to bring disabled theater and accessible theater into their spaces. So because of that, this partnership with DU is so important to me. These students are going to be the artists for the next 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 years. It's important to me that part of their foundation is in accessible theater and inclusive theater. That it's not something we're trying to teach them that seems like an outlier. It's part of their heart from the very beginning.